Okay, good morning guys. So today we are here in Khao Ko in Phetchabun, and this will be our fifth and last day of the tour in northern part of Thailand. Today we are going to ride from Phetchabun, pabalik na tayo ng Bangkok. Kuna lang, tapi kuna lang, pasang lang.
Philippines.
Put sa angkri ko na.
Yes.
ชื่อStepนะคะ
Ay, Kuya Step! Kaya sabi ko, ano ba yan? Meron naman dito.
We woke up this morning and we decided to go here dito sa viewpoint na malapit sa ating accommodation. And behind me guys, you can see that sea of clouds. Tingnan nyo. Right, so this viewpoint is famous for the tourists because of this, you know, yung sea of clouds. So today is Saturday at the second day of the long holiday for Thai people. Makikita ninyo na people are starting to gather here, and they're taking photos with themselves and of course with their friends with this beautiful sea of clouds. So normal ito guys na makikita mo sa Thailand, na kapag merong sea of clouds o magandang viewpoint, no, ang ginagawa ng Thai government ay dinidevelop nila yung viewpoint para puntahan ng mga tao. So this also serves as a opportunity for the locals to set up their business. So tingnan ninyo. So this market here, this is just temporary. Tatanggalin naman nila ito kapag low season na. So this is how helpful and thoughtful the government is. Dinidevelop talaga nila kapag merong opportunity for the locals to gain income. So sa baba niyan guys, parang may mga bahay-bahay na makikita ninyo. Most of them are accommodations, hotel, Airbnb. Again, another opportunity for the locals to earn money. Ganyan ka sinop, ganyan ka active yung government and the system here to help the locals to earn more money. Ayan guys, finally after 5 days ng trip natin sa northern ng part ng Thailand, finally ay nakauwi na tayo. Thank the Lord for safety travel. Ipakita ko lang sa inyo guys kung ilan yung natakbo natin. So for the entire 5 days, natakbo natin yung 2,219.5 kilometers. Alright, so thank you for riding with us, and abangan niyo yung